Welcome to Growth Mindset Learning Lab, a daycare center where we leverage the groundbreaking pedagogy of Dr. Carol Dweck's growth mindset and the child-focused approach of Dr. Marie Montessori, coupled with the learning through play methodology. When it comes to childcare, we know you have options. Here are 10 reasons why you should choose Growth Mindset Learning Lab. We see each child individually, celebrate their efforts, and respect their right to choose. The security and safety of your child are paramount. We maintain New York City teacher-student ratio. We offer research-based, innovative, and dynamic curricula. We are community-focused, and we hire local. We prioritize parents' needs for flexible and affordable options, including virtual programs. We offer early drop-off and late pickup at no additional cost. Our hours of operation are 7 a.m. to 6:30 p.m., and we provide drop-in services on Saturday. There are no annual registration fees. Most importantly, we love children. When it's time to choose, we hope you choose Growth Mindset Learning Lab. Get to know us, register today, speak with you soon.